Budget Advocacy Network and the Ministry of Finance have trained civil society organizations and media practitioners on public debt management and accountability. The session was to get journalists to report effectively on public debt and CSOs to ensure government is accountable and transparent to the people in handling national and international debt. Joseph Ture witnessed the event at Leisure Hotel in Freetown.
Public debt management is said to be critical for a country like Sierra Leone with a small economy. About 40% of the current national budget goes to debt servicing. How government is managing debt is crucial for journalists and CSOs who are legally mandated to hold public officials accountable on financial issues.
Build the capacity of civil society and media around public debt management, around issues of accountability on public debt management, so that we'll be able to hold government accountable on issues around public debt in a constructive and from an evidence-based perspective. So the training is geared towards equip us to understand public debt issues, to be able to analyze public debt information, to be able to interrogate government policies that has influence on public debt.
Some of the practical steps CSOs and journalists were told to take when tracking public debt included identifying source of information, utilizing open data platforms, data collection and combination, among others. In seeking information on public debts, it was said challenges like data complexity and gaps, political resistance, analytical capacity have over the years hindered media practitioners and CSOs from performing well when it comes to handling public debt issues. The reasons for tracking public liability were to ensure accountability, transparency, informed public debate, and to prevent fiscal crises. The participants said the training sessions were beneficial.
We've learned a lot about how our debt portfolio as a country is being managed, and the people or the State Department in the Ministry of Finance that is responsible for managing our debt portfolio. And we've also touched on the medium-term debt strategy.
Knowledge we had was that was not sufficient for us to actually engage the public on public debt management. But throughout the 3 days, I can attest to the fact that a good number of us must have climbed the rigors of understanding public debt and its management for national development.
They recommended that they should get further training on data analysis on public debt, discuss with Ministry of Finance on debt bulletin, and having a joint conversation with NRA on understanding the macroeconomic indicators relating to debt management, and for compilation of key terms on public debt be available to journalists and CSOs. Some of the financial experts commended the participants for undergoing such training, noting that it was useful for their profession. SLBC, Joseph Ture reporting.